Hi everybody, this is daily math number 27. So for the first one, it wants us to graph the inequality x is less than -1. So we go over to -1 and we ask ourselves, okay, looking at our sign, if it is a sign that looks like this and has the or equal to sign with it, then we know we're going to fill in our circle. However, if it's a sign like ours, we know we're going to have an open circle. So we'll put an open circle at -1. And then we look which way our sign is pointing, and that shows us which way our arrow is going to point. So that's how we graph this inequality here. All right, number 2, compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. For this one, this is the absolute value of -4 and the absolute value of -5, which just tells us their distance from 0. So -4 is 4 away from 0, and -5 is 5 away from 0. So the one that is going to be greater is actually -5. All right, third one. Benny was working on a math project, which was to design a small room. The dimensions of the rectangle below are what he used for his room. He decided that the area of the room was 82 square feet. Is he correct? Well, in order to find the area of the room, we're going to have to do length times width. And in this case, the length is 7.5, and the width is 10 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to change both of these into improper fractions. 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 plus 1 is 15 over 2. Okay, and then we keep our multiplication. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 over 3. Now we're just going to multiply straight across. So I'm going to go ahead and do 32 multiplied by 15 over here so I can find this answer right here. 5 times 2 is 10, 0 carry the 1, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, 0 as a placeholder, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So when we add these together, we should get 480. Okay, we've got 480 over 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so now we have to do 480 divided by 6. How many times is 6 go into 48? It goes in 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. We subtract, we get a 0, and we bring down our 0, and it comes right up here. So the area is going to be 80 feet squared. And he thought it was 82 square feet. So is he correct? No, he is not correct. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you all soon.